And we're fishing. And you got to
I know, right?
no.
No good deed goes without punishment. That fucking anaconda coming back, boy. Thought I forgot about you. That was definitely a fish too.
It might be on there.
He saw his leg was right caught and
He said, fuck that.
yeah, or he is. Stirred him up like they were talking about. God damn it, he was. I reeled all the way down to it. He literally came free, kicked his head once, and I kicked his shit out.
Get it. You got it? He does have it. It's a good one. Oh God, I'm gonna fall. Don't lose it. Don't lose it. Don't lose it.
There's a lot of gap between these things. That's a fish. And when you actually went to put the hook, I know, I was letting him, I didn't want to do what I always do and send it to the fucking tree.
Like,
what Andrew does, he just man hook it. I mean, that's what I did.
it's a pretty good hook set. I give you that.
In the top side of the mouth. It's very calmly collected.
And we got a couple. That was earlier today. He's on it. I can see him.
Yeah, I can see him. Yeah,
I'd say so. Yeah. I don't know why I got it in the side of the mouth. It'll be alright though.
one in here, but not. Yeah. All these fishes are almost the exact same size.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, well that FG knot works. Yeah. Thank you so much. Still got some fucking spawning tail marks. Fattening up though. Yeah. So I guess this is like a pigment thing. The black, yeah. I mean, you caught that same one.
I think one of you guys should catch a fish. I feel like you're not.
I'm fishing. As soon as we can pull a fish off the next tree. There's probably 75% chance that Andrew's the one. I don't know. Andrew does better at waping the trees. Well,
like this one. Ah, suck it.
He caught 5, we caught 4 together. So, I was about to say he caught 4 and we caught 4. I mean, Andrew has a much better chance of catching nice fish. I mean, I threw them there, like, right off the tip out of there. No.
I mean, summer.
I really pull the anchor, jump around this tree, and then... Yeah.
TJ doesn't accept defeat.
Pretty sure it's not a fish, but it's kind of going.
It's moving.
Yeah.
Something.
I think it's a log. Nope, that's my kid.
Cuts the line in half.
Oh,
Oh, lost another one, TJ.
okay.
Oh, what is that?